Flutter Developer Salary, Comprehensive Overview and Hiring Guide by ProCoders. ProCoders provides a comprehensive expert salary overview to allow you to choose the best option for cooperation. In our article, we answered an up-to-date question where you can find a great blend of technologies combined with a cost-effective approach for hiring talented Flutter experts. Ready to know? Let's do it. What does a Flutter developer do? The world has long been waiting to be replenished with new talented guys who are ready to make a revolution in the world of cross-platform mobile applications at high speeds and insanely pleasant widgets. This time has come with the arrival of Flutter. Therefore, if you want your future apps flying with bright widgets and powerful Google support, it is time to find the country with the best suitable average salary of Flutter developer. To create a cool cross-platform application, a programmer regardless of the level must be able to write clear and concise code. To know Agile development full cycle methodology. Have the skills to streamline business partner software. Have good soft skills for productive communication with the customer company. Flutter developers' salary comparison. Due to the high level of education, similar cultural and communicative values, as well as a large number of qualified Flutter developers, we decided to conduct a comparative analysis of the average Flutter developer salary by experience. It is started from Flutter app developer salary entry level to advanced one, according to Indeed.com. In the United States, Western Europe and Ukraine is one of the main outsourcing collaborators of the world. Average Flutter developer salary by experience. Junior, beginners or entry level. Since there was a huge explosion in the popularity. Why a Flutter? There are quite a lot of novice programmers on the market with Flutter app developer salary entry level. They already have some minor experience in working with Dart, have an idea about third-party libraries, good soft skills and at least an intermediate level of English. The average annual salary for a beginner expert: USD Ukraine 38,000, the USA 73,000, Western Europe 60,000. Middle. The mid-level specialists already have several years of development experience for Android and iOS, strong expertise with automated testing and using different version control tools like Git or Jenkins, and a fairly high level of English for free communication with customers. The average annual salary for a middle expert: USD Ukraine 67,000, the USA 120,000, Western Europe 106,000. Senior, advanced. In addition to all of the above, for the experienced who are already claiming a higher Flutter Dart developer salary, it's crucial to have experience with optimizing applications for material design, Swift experience and a clear understanding of Android keyboard API. The average annual salary for a senior expert: USD Ukraine 96,000, the USA 153,000, Western Europe 134,400. Average Flutter developer hourly rate by regions. Flutter powerfully broke into the IT industry, making a real breakthrough, so the fans of this tool are becoming widespread and therefore the competition and average salary of Flutter developer are growing rapidly. Flutter developer average salary practically does not differ from the global offshoring trends. The highest price for specialists remains in the United States, cosmic prices over $100. Apparently the proximity to the corporations like Google makes itself felt, and in Western Europe over $60 CAS, well as the most acceptable in Eastern Europe. Ukraine is the golden mean in terms of quality and competition. How about Flutter developer salary per hour? We have deep research with using Glassdoor or PayScale to monitor the difference. We compare salaries per hour taking into account 4 criteria like location, job category, industry and company size, and make up the full clear picture of Flutter app developer salary you can pay. However, it should be understood that by choosing a cheap specialist you could get serious risks along with a new project, such as weak technical expertise, socio-cultural differences that will negatively affect communication, and the irresponsibility of employees who cannot finish the tasks on time. What factors can affect the salary? Flutter is a relative newcomer to the world of cross-platform mobile applications based on the Dart language, which will have to be learned by beginners and which the pioneers are already familiar with. Flutter Dart developer salary will depend on such factors like local market, number of specialists, quality of tech expertise. How to hire a Flutter developer for my project. Take into account the main aspects of hiring your desired programmer: experience, ability to solve complex solutions and similar cultural values. So where to find this Superman? There are at least 2 ways to hire talents for your future cooperation. Find a freelancer on Upwork, contact a reliable outsourcing or outstaffing company with proven reviews and extensive experience. What do I need to know before hiring a Flutter developer? Define your goals and objectives for the future project. Study the main country's suppliers of Flutter programmers and the development cost in different areas. Learn the best outsourced providers. Clutch will help you meet the representatives of the vendor's company directly, via video call or offline meeting, to determine their values, business approach and cultural property. Discuss customers' experience with a vendor and get real feedback directly. Conclusion and motivation to action. Greater than every business owner has the opportunity to enjoy all the charms of software development by hiring talent with an acceptable Flutter developer average salary. Naturally, if you're choosing a suitable option, you need to know everything about the average salary of Flutter programmers around the world to make a final decision. Subscribe our channel and read more about Flutter developer salary, comprehensive overview and hiring guide at ProCoder's blog.